Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Dumont. I'm working for SAP as Solution Manager for the Intelligent Robotic Process Automation solution. I will present you today a way to use our RPA solution for an onboarding process. So let's first set the scene for that demo. We'll talk about the loan market. So I'm the new CEO of a bank and I want to be innovative. I want to change the rules on that market. But I also have big challenges, obviously to protect my margin and stay competitive against that market. I also want to make sure that I can lever my assets and be effective as soon as possible to have a very short time to market. I've got an idea to change the rules on that market. When I go to the supermarket, I really often see best deal guarantee on a lot of goods and products. And I'm wondering why I could not apply this to my bank and my loan product. So if I want to make this happen, I first need to ensure my deal is the best one, because I don't want to reimburse twice the difference to my customer. I also want to rely on my existing systems, because I don't have neither the time or the budget to reinvent my IT. And I want to do that within a quarter, because I need to be fast. All that sounds impossible, right? Now you see me coming. It's not impossible. Thanks to the SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, you can make this possible. We will first ensure that we propose the best deal, relying simply on our competitor websites with their loan simulator, and we'll use it to get their rate. We have a CRM with all our customer requests, and we will use it as a starting point. And how we will ensure we'll be fast? Because we are relying on a very innovative technology, which is the SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation. Concretely, my robot principles are very simple. I will first connect to my CRM, and the robot will retrieve the good information that are needed for the rest of the process. The robot will then open every single online simulator from my competitors and get their rates. It will then present me with a 360 view with all those values and my positioning against the market. Finally, the robot will allow me to change my own value to stay the best on that market. So the first step of that process is to log to my CRM to make sure I can retrieve or create my customer. So we log to C4HANA, which is my CRM. I can then go to customers, individual customers, and I've got the choice to either retrieve my existing customer or create a new one. Here I go for my own page and land on it. For those who know C4HANA, you will notice that there is a new button right here. That is a robotic button, which means that a dynamic button that has been inserted in the C4HANA interface by the robot. It's there to provide the ability for the bank agent to be supported by the robot executing the process. That button will basically trigger competitive checks, which means that the robot will take some values from the C4HANA page, in particular those values, the length and the amount of the requested loan. And then it will go on the web to check if there is competitors with a better offering. So while I'm able to talk to my customer and create a key human relationship, the robot will create me with a banner, which is on the right hand side, then go to my competitors' websites to trigger their online loan simulator and use my customer data to get their proposals. So after a few seconds, I can continue to talk to my customer with a perfect knowledge of the market rates and my positioning. Using the banner, I can then choose to be aligned with the best of my competitors, and the robot will then automatically fill the appropriate rate. But I can also decide to manually override the value to make sure that I will propose the best rate on the market. So you see, this banner is something that has been created by the robot to help my bank agent proposing with a 360 view of the market. It allows my bank agent to stay focused on the human relationship and get the data in few seconds to adjust my bank offering. It simply makes my impossible promise a reality and guarantee to the customer the best deal.